The Rabbit and the Deer, a friendship story. In a lush green field at the edge of a dense forest lived a little rabbit named Mittu. Nearby lived a gentle deer named Jagu. The two were inseparable friends. One evening, suddenly, a strange silence fell. The birds stopped chirping. Mittu's ears perked up nervously. "Jagu, I'm scared," he whispered. Jagu immediately raised his head. Behind the trees, he spotted a hungry fox, its gaze fixed intently on Mittu. "Quick, Mittu, jump on," Jagu urged. Without hesitation, Mittu leaped onto Jagu's back. With powerful strides, Jagu dashed across the field, the fox in hot pursuit. But soon, a deep ravine blocked their path. "Hold onto my antlers tightly. I'll jump," Jagu encouraged. Mittu closed his eyes and held on as Jagu made a tremendous leap, safely landing on the other side. The fox was left behind, thwarted. Safe at last, Mittu hugged his friend tightly. "You saved my life, Jagu. You are so brave." Jagu smiled warmly. "That's what friendship is, Mittu. We give each other courage." From that day on, their bond grew even stronger. And the animals of the forest often spoke of how true friendship can overcome any danger. And their friendship becomes stronger than ever.